Hi everyone, we are going to start the battleground. Sorry. So, my today's opponent, I don't remember his roster, so we are going to check first. He's Diamond with 7 victory and 1 defeat. So like me, he missed 1 match, but he's Diamond with 7 and 1. And I'm Master, and if I win this, I'm Grandmaster. So, let's see his roster. Okay, 2 gear 12 in humans, 2 in orcs, but this shouldn't be a problem. 0 here, 0 here, neither. Okay, Wukong can be scary, so I will try with my pandas, I guess, but the problem is that I will try with my pandas, but this isn't a Gear 11 Wukong, so this isn't going to be very relevant. And I'm not sure that he's going to put Wukong on this team, because you already have Hera and 4 Gear 11 Pride. So we are going to see. Okay, so Dwarf a bit built, and same for Half Pigs. I think he do this for Expedition, maybe? Okay, yes. And let's finish with Demons. Okay. This should be... the full clear should be not too hard. Okay, so as I predict, the Pride is Hera lead with the 4 Gear 11, and the Zera lead I will bring Goblins against this, and against this. Okay, so he put his Naya, so he probably have his Freezard, because I guess the last human he up is Freezard, if I'm correct. Yes, Freezard probably is with Snorri. Okay, so humans and elves. Demons, sorry, so yes, maybe elves here, and maybe I will just mirror with humans there. Let's start with this. Let's bring the gobs. We are going to focus Ardork, because he's a threat. And after this, maybe Mordum or Tromgard if we are locked behind the taunt. Okay, so we already Eve. Okay, that's not good at all. I need taunt on my... that's very bad. He's stunned. Okay, so there goes my shot. This Tromgard is just stunning everyone. I will... yes, I think I will have to restart this. My atom is not that slow, but it takes a long time to go. That screwed me a bit. Okay, so my chat is bugged. Hi Makin. Yes, it is Gear 12 Tromgard isn't and he have a lot of potency as well, so it's a bit hard to... like, he's very annoying, he puts a lot of stun. Okay, so this time my atom plays pretty quickly. Okay, I have taunt, I have blind, so this is perfect. No blind on Tromgard, unfortunately. Stromguard is really a pain. I can't dispel him. He got too much tenacity. Allez, no stun please on him. Okay, nice. Please survive, dude. Okay. Next turn oh no, that's very unfortunate. I have the blind on shot. Okay, my Frank is dead. He's debuffing me. Oh no, his Stromguard is really a pain. I don't think I will beat this. I mean, I have to restart. We'll just restart. I hope I missed nothing. Okay, no, that's good. I really need a second screen to avoid this, but I do with what I have. How many percent? He got 50% chance to resist. That's not that much, but it's enough to screw me. Okay, try to dispel. Did I still have? Okay, 50%. I really need a shock. I need to daze him. Or blind. I run my characters with potency, but again this Stromguard. Oh, I should have summoned the pig. That's a misplay there. Stun, okay. They remove, that's not good. They are going for my shot. I just have, but you just have too much tenacity. You have to check, for example, 112% chance to resist on my Frank, and this should be almost oh, okay, and this should be almost the same for my major shot. Ah, and when I remove it, he gets right back. I should probably summon pigs for this one. Their AoE is going to be very helpful. Helpful. Not hopeful, helpful. But when I will pass this team and the human, this is going to be the rest is easy. Like the Stromguard is really tough, but the rest is okay. Okay, ability block on her. Okay, so let's watch. 83% chance to resist, so if I blind him, this is basically a miracle. Oh no, I didn't get to taunt. Yes, no blind, that was expected. My Garam is dead, so no summon. And I can't pass this Stromguard. I will maybe have to change my strategy. Maybe bring Mordum as a fifth. I don't know who I am going to replace. maybe I can kill them only with AoEs. Okay, not enough, I guess. Okay, taunt, nice. Okay, basically taunt on almost everyone except Tromgard. If I killed, okay, taunt is gone, so I can kill the other now. Okay, that was a misplay, but that's not a problem. Okay, perfect. Everyone die. I will just auto this. The battle is going to be very long, just to kill this Tromgard. Okay, perfect. Nice indeed. Okay, it took me a couple of tries. Oh, he stunned him. So I was saying it took me a couple of times, but at least we got him. I will just I just want to see the Tromgard. Okay, his hair. 150 tenacity and only 62 potency, okay. 7 on basically everything. If I'm correct. No, he gains armor, but no tenacity. He's almost Gear 13. Okay, so when he's going to be Gear 13, he's going to be at 150. That's why he was so hard to kill, almost Gear 13. Okay, but now, so this team is going to be a bit hard, because again of the 2 Gear 12. Okay, but this should be... he's pretty fast, this Garrett is very fast. But the Eric is pretty slow, and Naya is pretty slow too. But if I'm correct, she gains turn meter here. Okay, if Selena is in the party. Oh no, if she's full health, so yes, she gains turn meter, but not haste. So against this, I will bring the heals. Not this one, but this one. Okay. Oh, the taunt was off. I didn't see that. That's my bad. Okay, he's blind, perfect. I will block Salvador, so he's not going to taunt. I will put him invisible. Oh no, he dodged. Because Hera is going to put invisible on her team. Ability block him, perfect. Blind him, nice. Everything sticks, that's perfect. So as I said, she put everyone under invisibility, except for the Salvador. So that's why I was trying to put him, to invisible him. I will keep this for now. I will use this on Renara. Oh, that was a very big hit. Okay, so Renara. I will keep this in case if he's taunting. Okay, we didn't remove taunt. Okay, now we'll remove it. I will need Renara to take a turn. I really need to revive my Singel. Okay, perfect. He's back. And let's heal her. Okay. Okay, nice. Perfect. We just finish him. And that's great. Nice. Okay, so two weak teams. I will wait and I will start with this. So I will start with heals on I will start with his demons first. Easy as pie. Okay, so I will daze Shadar. And daze buff. Now let's focus Shadar. If I can, I want to kill him fast. Ah, no ability block on the tank. That's unfortunate, but at least his buff is ability block. That was not that great. Okay, nice. Okay, perfect ability block. Should be very easy now. Perfect. Okay. And my Lula is full shield. My talent too. So even the banners are pretty clean. Now let's struggle on humans. Okay, so let's slow Eric. I want to focus on Eric. Let's put this. Oh, I should have keep it. That's right. I like keeping the Garrett AoE in case. Okay, nice. The taunt wasn't removed, but. Ooh, that's okay. Okay, she's almost dead. Not not dead. I will put the blind since 2 doesn't have the. Ah, no crit. Oh no, he one shot my Garrett. Naya doesn't want to die, and my Eric doesn't want to crit. Naya is good even at low gear. Oh, my whole team is dead. Maybe I should focus. Sorry, maybe I should focus Naya because she's very weak. Okay, I have the Dispel Aura, but a bit early. Okay, I need someone to play. Ah, no. Maybe an... She dodged! She was dead, please. Oh, no, but yes, she doesn't have the... She doesn't get the... I don't remember and I misplayed her. Ah, I could have killed her, but she dodged. Let's try again. I will slow Batty if I can this time. Or, but if I slow her, I miss an attack on Naya. Okay, I got the same arrow, the same timing. Ah, she dodged again. And don't know what to say. I will do this to do more damage with my Eric. Okay, crit. She get high shield. Even with a crit 50k, I just remove her shield. Okay, but okay, well, at least she died. But my Soyuz died too. Okay. Oh, he got a Rise of Hope. I should have going for someone else. Ernaya doesn't want to die. If she doesn't take a turn, so the battle is much easier. But 2 times she dodged 2 attacks and then I lost my word. She removed taunt. I have an idea. If I do this and this, so she's almost dead. Oh no, please. Okay, Freezer, you have a chance. Okay, perfect. Naya is quite good indeed. I will do this. 2 characters are blind. That's very unfortunate that he was blind. Okay, I need to take... My Soyuz need to take a turn fast. Let's heal him up. Okay, slow. Oh, she blinds... No, that's too much. She blind 3 characters. Oh, and I got 3 counters. I will do this. And this. I can kill because everyone is blind because of Batty. I will keep my blind. Okay, at least she didn't remove. Okay. My Garrett need to take the turn. Nice. Okay, I can do this. We can finish. Okay. Okay. Right when we need it, Soyuz come to heal. Okay, nice. Perfect. Another hard one. But we got it. Okay, so the back wall. Not that good teams. This should be not hard. Let's bring demons against his gobs. I wait because they were all debuff immunity. So that's why I wait. Even if because this time I wouldn't. The goal wasn't to deal more damage with Eric, but was to keep my blind so they take one turn in. They waste one turn. Okay, unlucky. Okay, nice. I will do this, I guess. Shot is going to die soon enough. Okay, perfect. Ah, but Frank is going to play before. Oh no, no, no! Okay, perfect. Okay, nice. So that did well. Go on, Goram. I need Goram to die. Ah no. He give an assist. He offends down my Kyra. Okay, nice. Okay, taunt is gone. I will focus Frank. Okay, they dazed, that's cool. I just think I forget to mention that on my infographics video, but Kyra put daze, and that's pretty good against goblins because they can't assist, and if they can't assist, the lead is basically useless. Okay, nice heal. Let's finish him now. Perfect. Heals, I just bring my pride. And the rest should be easy. So, pride. Maybe let's start with Singiel. He's very weak. I can... Okay, nice. I can one-shot him pretty easily. I can do the same for Sharp. Okay, that was a nice hit. Let's do this. That's a good thing that she didn't ability block him. Okay, I have to remember that his debuff immunity, so I can taunt on his next turn. But the good thing is that he didn't get the speed up from Kagi, so he is very slow, and all his team is basically dead. They can't get through my Salvador. Okay, so 80k, 82k. I'm more scared of this team, I guess. I don't know because Wukong is here. Wukong is a threat, but this team is. Oh, I have an idea. Maybe I can go. I will go with Orcs against this. Because I have AoEs, so the Wukong mirror shouldn't be that much of a problem. And he's not with pride, so he's definitely not a big threat. And he didn't even have taunt, so that's really good. I will just focus. I should have focused Car Cream, I will block him so he doesn't do his AoE on me. Yeah, this is going to be very easy. I don't think he's going to be able to full clear me because his last teams are really weak. So this should be a win. They are not strong enough to... He's going to crush my front wall very easy, but he's not going... he's not able to pass the back wall. Well, everyone is under control, so that was pretty easy. I was a bit worried about the Wukong, but he wasn't a threat at all. So look, he got 80k random team, 100k pandas, 82k Darian lead, but with Peak Voldemara, and I have basically 121k as not Era but Rentapig. Rentapig is very isn't you shouldn't underestimate this because they benefit from this line. So both the physical damage and magical of all allies from the clan increase by 25%, sorry. So all these heavy hitters are going to have 25% more damage. You have the Baronwell Centurion combo. So this is really a very scary team. Even if you have a good if he got a Darian team, but I don't see him pass this team with his Darian lead, even with his pandas. He's going to struggle a lot. And on this side, I have my weak orc team and an average heals. So my front roll is going to be crushed. Like his humans are far superior than mine. His orcs are really good too. But then he doesn't have that much. Yes, indeed, he didn't get taunted, so he's basically he's not useless. He can put daze and offense down, but you only have one reflection, so that's clearly not enough to be viable. I didn't see if he got T7s on this team. Okay, so we dispel. Let's try to kill Ember now. Let's finish Uncle O. Okay, nice. He's probably going to die. You are not full shield. Okay, nice, he's dead. He's going to stop stealing my banners. Oof, that was a very big hit. I need to stall just a bit. Okay, nice. That seems not enough. Okay, play please, Patriarch. Okay, so... Oh no. Oh yes, he dodged. Ooh, I was lucky. Thanks for the banner. And the last team against Darian. Let's bring Rentha. My pigs are gear 11 and the damage are really stupid. I will put armor decrease here. I like to not taunt, just up basic. And then boom! 36k, boom! 12k not crit, but 12k isn't really that much, but it did 60k here, something like that, without crit. And that's basically done. Okay, perfect. So the battleground is win. I have 1638 banners. So is this okay? So even if I lose, this is Grandmaster. So that's nice. Even if it's a lose, it's a Grandmaster, lads. Grandmaster with where it's there with missing a match. So that's pretty nice. Oh look, that's the guy that beat me. Okay, this lose, this is him. Up, screenshot. I'm going to see this to to his alliance leader. Let's see, did I know someone there? No. And below me? Oh, that's Hades minion lad. I never see him, but he's here, that's nice. Oh! Who's that guy? Okay. 250 is very good. Can I show? Okay, you are at... Yeah, under a million, that's really nice, dude. That's very okay. That's if I full clear, I'm oh, I hope you are going to full clear. You will basically, yes, with that much point you will need to win. I hope you are going to win and full clear. That's going to be very nice. So we are going to be both in Grandmaster. And Grandmaster rewards are pretty good. I don't remember. I think you have I know you have a guaranteed that was here reward. So the guaranteed it's, I think it's the Ember one. Yes. When you go to Grandmaster you have the Ember artifact. So that's pretty good, and if I'm correct, I will have my second 5-star artifact with this Lucky Clover. I just have to show quickly. But if I'm correct... So Murdoch. Murdoch have a 5-star Lucky Clover. I have another one. My what's his name again? My Frank have a 4-star Lucky Clover too. I will remove him because it doesn't give him potency. No offense, no potency. I have crit chance, but I prefer rather have offense or potency. So I have 2 4-stars, and if I'm correct, I have 3 stars. Oh, I'm wrong. I will need one more. Oh no, wait. No, okay, that's good. I will have this one, so yeah, I will have 3 4-star, and my Murdoch artifact is going to be 5-star. 5-star is very expensive. It's something like 5 million or 4 million to go to from level 0 to 30 with a 5-star artifact. Okay, so even if we lose, This is Grandmaster. So that's very nice. I'm going to cut here. This is the end of this battleground. I hope you like it. And see you on the next stream. Take care. Bye.